Hey, welcome to my channel. Well, if you own the new Mavic 2 Zoom, then you're going to be pretty excited because today is the day we're checking out ND and Polarized filters for the Mavic 2 Zoom. Here's a close-up of the box. You can see you get every possible ND filter and Polarized filter on the market. Look at how thick that box is. Inside the box, you'll see you get 2 filter cases, along with a Freewell microfiber lens cleaning cloth. Now, to open the new Freewell cases, you just push on the Freewell and then push up on the side, and there you go. Now, as many of you know, Freewell filters are made out of the highest quality materials, so yes, you can expect lightweight aluminum construction along with multi-coated glass. One thing I love about Freewell that they do better than the competition is they actually put a nice little white indicator line on their circular polarized filters so that when you turn it, you know exactly where the polarization is. In the package, you get a total of 8 filters. You have ND filters, which are neutral density, and you have some that are polarized filters and some that are hybrid, which are ND plus polarized filters put together, which to me are some of the best filters on the market today. So there's 8 filters. There's no way I'm gonna fly a drone and try out all 8 filters, so I'm just gonna try out a few of them. So check this out. Whoa, we're down here. Yeah, we're out at we're on top of sort of like a hill, a big hill. Some people might call it a mountain. And we're gonna fly the Zoom, which is back here. And what we're gonna do is try out some ND filters. Now take a look right now. It's kind of cloudy, not the greatest. So James here has got, what do you have on your?
And I got an ND4 right now.
So we're gonna try an ND4. So this is what an ND4 looks like on a Mavic Zoom, looking at beautiful scenery this time of the day. All right, James, take it away. All right, now we have an ND8 polarized filter on there, and let's see what it looks like. Right now we have an ND16 on the Mavic 2 Zoom. And the next filter we have on is an ND32 Polarized. All right, so how's the sky look?
The sky looks really nice, actually.
Okay, looks blue. I'm just gonna turn this a quarter turn. Let me know how it looks. How's the sky look now?
Darker blue.
Darker blue? That's good. And I'll turn it one more quarter turn. How's it look now?
Lighter, actually.
Okay, so we'll go quarter turn. So we should have the polarization pretty much. So this is an ND64 polarized. All right, so those were Freewell filters on the Mavic 2 Zoom. And as you can see behind us, this is fall weather and the light is going in and out. So we couldn't do a comparison side by side. That was impossible because there's no way we'd get the same light. It just wouldn't work and it wouldn't be fair. So basically what you saw is what the filters actually look like in the different types of light we were flying in. From cloudy to with a little bit of sun to just, the cool thing is when there was sun in the distance and James would zoom in on that. So that worked out quite well. And now the sun comes out again. Here it is. And you can see we have gloves and mitts on. Well, I got a thumb sticking out. It's just freaking cold out here. All right, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. We're gonna be back out doing some more filter tests in the future, long exposure filters. And we need a lot of sun for that. So it'll be a bright sunny day when you see us with that. Anyways, catch you in the next video.